Consider this. The size of a house will have more of an impact on its energy consumption than insulation or HVAC systems. Minimize the footprint, and you reduce the impact on the site, the building materials consumed, and you conserve a most precious commodity, energy. First, build a home designed to consume less energy, as in size. Second, create a tight building envelope. And lastly, use the proper sizing and placement of heating and cooling systems. Let's break it down. If a house has space that seldom gets used, it isn't efficient no matter how tight the house is. Still, some home buyers often want their dream house to be big with more space than necessary. It is up to the green builder to help them rethink what they need in a home and design for it.
There's always a point where things become too much, and the purpose of a greenhouse is to conserve. However, some people have different needs that require a large house. So if you're looking at that house in terms of the efficiencies through the design, then it doesn't necessarily have to be non-green for being large.
Building a tight envelope is a green build essential. Air leakage through small gaps and cracks in a home can be a big source of energy loss. Efficiency begins with careful sealing and happens both during the framing and finishing process. The next consideration is the R value achieved through insulation. Walls, roof, and foundation systems contribute to the home's R value. The choices for each range from conventional to innovative. Some green choices include structural insulated panels, insulated concrete forms, and advanced framing techniques.
By using advanced products, whether it's ICF, SIP panels, all these insulating products provide a superior envelope. Now you're able to capture more of the square footage and the volume of the house inside the physical boundary and use every single piece of that environment.
Once the home is sealed and insulated, the proper size and placement of the HVAC system completes the whole house efficiency plan. Federal standards list minimum requirements for heating and cooling systems. Green builders like to aim a bit higher.
By designing the HVAC system per the specifications of the building, correctly designing the HVAC system will reduce the money that the builders pay and the cost that they pay for those systems.
Supply your contractor or engineer with as many details about the house as possible, including wall insulation values, house orientation, the size and energy efficiency of the windows, and the floor plan. Working with an approved manual like the ACCA Manual J or a computer program, the contractor or engineer will calculate the loads for the house. A tighter house will require less equipment. One other critical aspect to HVAC efficiency is the design and installation of ducts. Leaking ducts can reduce efficiency of a forced air system by as much as 30%. Minimizing duct leakage is a crucial conservation measure. Ensure all duct joints are completely and carefully sealed.
Personally, I prefer mastic and tapes. The standards within green are that we require certain types of tapes, but also that use mastics. That's a preferred method. That saves energy, and in most cases, if it's done correctly, will reduce the HVAC requirements of the home and essentially save the builder money.
Energy efficiency is weighted heavily in green building guidelines. By taking a systems approach to the homes you build, you can achieve remarkable results and satisfy your energy-conscious clients.